Let's walk through how to add and edit images in Avery Design Print Online. To add an image to a project, we'll select Image and Add Image on the left. We have options to upload images from a variety of sources, such as your computer, online account, the Avery Gallery, stock images, or Google Photos. To select an image file saved on your computer, use the first button to browse for your image. We'll be adding an image from stock images. From here, we can search for the image we want and then use filters to narrow down the results. For example, you can filter by image type such as photo, illustration, and vector. We can also find images that match a specific color. Once we've found the best image, we can select it to add it to our project. To resize the image, use the white circles on the corners or sides. If we want the image to be shorter or taller, we will need to uncheck the lock aspect ratio setting on the left. To move the image, we can click and drag the image with our mouse. Be sure your image stays inside the safety line to keep it from getting cut off when printing. If you have an Avery product with a print to the edge feature, there are dotted lines at the outer edge of the template that you can stretch the image to. Or you can use the Set as Background button on the left to have the image fill the background. To rotate our image, we will hover our cursor over the rotate icon at the top and then click and drag to the left or right. If we wanted to replace an image that's on the template, we can select the image and then use the Replace Image option on the left. If we want to crop our image, select the image and then click Crop Image on the left. Click and drag the crop lines, then click outside of the image to apply the changes. To add transparency to our image, we can use the slider control on the left. To change a color in the image, click on the image and then click Change Color. Here we can choose from some pre-selected swatches or choose a specific color from the color wheel. If we want to replace the color across the entire image, we will check this box here. Once we select the color, our cursor will change to a paint bucket, and we can click on the parts of the image we want to replace. If there's a color in the template that you'd like to match, click Select Color from Image, and our cursor will turn into an eyedropper. Click the color you would like to copy, and then the cursor will change into a paint bucket. Then we will click on the colors we want to change to fill it with the copied color. If we want to remove a color from our image, select the image, and then click Remove Color. Our cursor will turn into a reticle, and we can click on the color we want to remove. To change the background color, we can click Background at the top and select a color to apply it to our entire template. If you want to add different colors to each label or card on the sheet, you can use the Shapes tool. If you need more help, visit avery.com/help for more information and to contact our care team. Thank you for using genuine Avery products.